Losing stomach fat can be tricky. So here are the 3 steps guaranteed to help you burn stomach fat. Okay, now this video is divided into 3 sections. We will talk about the foods that cause belly fat. These are foods that you need to avoid. The foods that help you reduce stomach fat. And the number 1 diet detox plan to help you start losing stomach fat today. 1. Avoid foods that cause belly fat. As I said, you need to first avoid certain foods. This will help you reach your goal way faster and effectively. The best diet to lose belly fat involves phasing these foods out by filling your diet with the healthy ingredients in our top 10 foods that burn belly fat. Alcohol. Alcohol has a very negative impact on the human body. Empty calories, extra carbs and loads of sugar, oh my. Looking to get rid of that beer belly? Then put down the beer, friend. All those extra calories and carbs are not helping your efforts. And if you're a fan of the mixed drink, holy moly, the calories and sugar, real and fake, in those mixers are seriously hindering your weight loss efforts. Carbohydrates. Not all of them, but try to cut how many carbs you eat by half. Refined carbs are the worst offenders: white bread, pasta, and flour. So try swapping for all natural whole wheat versions. Instead of having a whole sandwich at lunch, have a half a sandwich and salad. Small changes will show big results. Processed food. First off, all that processed food will only pack on belly fat and make you unhealthy. Try to remove all the prepackaged, preservative-filled junk from your diet and replace it with whole foods. Sugar and sugar substitutes. Yep, all of it. Try to get your sweet fix from nature. Fruit, especially the belly fat-burning fruits outlined in this video, is a great alternative to traditional sugar, which will only turn into more fat. Even worse, fake sugar will make you sick and tell your body to hold on to fat. Go all natural whenever possible. Try to remove or reduce sugar in your favorite recipes, instead use mashed fruit. And remember, the more sweets you eat, the more you crave. So guess what, the less you eat, the less you will crave it. Fats, the unhealthy kind. I'm talking about the fried foods, heavy buttery dishes and unhealthy cuts of meat like bacon. You don't really need me to tell you why these are packing on the belly fat, do you? Swap out fried for baked, use olive oil or coconut oil when cooking, and opt for lean protein that will actually help you take off the excess belly fat. Key point: sugar, carbohydrates, processed foods, and alcohol all directly affect your waistline. Avoid these foods if you're trying to get a flatter tummy. 2. Eat foods that burn belly fat. When it comes to weight loss, your diet is more important than exercise. Here are the top 10 belly fat burning foods. Peppers. The hotter the better. Hot peppers such as chili peppers, jalapenos, even cayenne powder help increase fat loss and stave off hunger. They also give you a healthy dose of metabolism-boosting vitamin C. Eggs. High in lean protein, eggs will help keep your cravings in check, so you will eat less and lose belly fat faster. Some studies have even shown that eating healthy proteins will actually help you lose belly fat. Beans. When it comes to foods to eat to lose belly fat, beans are nature's gift to mankind. They have the perfect balance of carbs and protein, and they keep you full for hours. Black beans, kidney, lentils, garbanzo, and cannellini are all good choices. Nuts and seeds. Not only keep you full, but the healthy protein can also help you lose weight and even increase your metabolism. Almonds, walnuts, macadamia, cashews, pistachio, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are good examples. Berries. Another metabolism-boosting ingredient, berries are packed full of vitamin C and fiber. Studies have shown that fiber helps raise your metabolism and helping you shed belly fat fast. Blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, cranberries, and are good choices. Avocados. We really love avocados here at Lose Weight by Eating. They are full of fiber, which is fantastic for weight loss and oh so good